Evolution of management accounting and relevance lost.
Introduction to management accounting. Management accounting refer to the part of accounting that provide information which forms an important part of the strategic process within an organization because it is required by managers to make day-to-day and short-term decisions. International Federation of Accountants Model. Stage 1. Prior to 1950, cost determination and financial control. In this stage, management more focused to determination and financial control by concerned on budgeting, cost accounting practices and internal processes. Production was simply well organized and identifiable as well material and labor cost. Besides that, first in first out, FIFO, and last in first out, LIFO, method was developed because most of company are emphasize on cost estimation so that the management can control their financial. The product in this stage also less innovative because the product sold very well and the process is easy to understood. The conflict occurred is the allocation of cost estimation because view is less important and it has become a reason management decision-making poorly exploited. Stage 2, 1965 to 1985 Information for management planning and control. In this stage, since need for management information for decision-making process is progressively important, management accounting has moved into provision of information for the purpose of management planning and control. Information produced is crucial for companies' management and production. It has acted as a utensil to make a good decision for management further decision. For example, marginal costing is used by the management to choose the right action for business by involving the staff to make decisions such as production manager. Stage 3, 1985 to 1995 Reduction of waste of resources in business processes. This stage believed that, have been resulted by the world recession which occurred in the 1970s. The oil price was vastly affected with an increment by 4 times from the normal prices in world recession period. As everyone around the world depends so much on oil to run their daily life, governments, especially of Western countries, were forced to be fuel efficient. Fuel stations would even voluntarily close down on Sundays, resulting in people chose for smaller more fuel efficient vehicles, and this scenario gave long effects on the economy. By increasing number of unemployment and the more fuel-efficient vehicles and other machineries which are high-tech, companies manage to reduce expenses on labor. Examples of these energy-efficient inventions are My Debit payment system, solar panel, hybrid cars and auto-pay machines or self-payment kiosk, is a production model that fulfills to customers' needs based on demand. This allows companies to minimize wastage of production by avoiding the production of products exceeding the market needs. This model has been really helpful to industries with products that are fast to become obsolete, such as mobile phones industries. On the other hand, activity-based costing or ABC is a method of which the cost of a product is determined based on the resources used. Stage 4, 1995 onwards Creation of value through effective resource use. First, total quality management is a process whereby all departments and also employees in the organization are involved in the quality maintenance process. This allows overall quality satisfaction by customers towards the organization. Activity-based management is a method where every single process of the organization is to be examined and analyzed. This allows the organization to detect its pros and cons, thus making room for improvements wherever is needed. Benchmarking is the process of comparison between one organization with other organization in terms of its performance in the same industry. Where weaknesses are detected, the organization will look over the specific defective departments and make improvements. This method is efficient to allow organization to always have the drive to perform its best. Reengineering is a process of restarting the process of organization from basic but using current technology and management method. This will allow the organization to function more efficiently either in services or production given.
Create created using Powtoon.